Two sets of results, one to Salvador and another set to the U.S. The one from the U.S. came back, and of the 10 samples sent, 7 tested positive for glyphosate. Since then, we've had discussions with the parties, facilitated the discussion with the parties. They have now gone into bilateral session amongst themselves, and they're in negotiation at this point in time.
Has Green Tropics taken any responsibility? Because when we spoke to them, they were saying that their test had shown that it couldn't be that.
I really don't want to get into the details simply because an option for all the parties is that this matter goes to court. And more than likely the ministry will be responsible for providing expert witness, and I don't want to compromise that possible need. All that I would want to say is that they are negotiating. As a matter of fact, I believe they're in session at the moment in Belmopan. And we're encouraging that discussion. We have offered that if they cannot resolve their differences amongst themselves, that we would be prepared to facilitate further facilitation by the ministry to see if we could reach an amicable settlement to the situation.
Apart from that, apart from facilitating, does the ministry have any authority to actually step in and force Green Tropics to make restitution to the farmers?
No, we did what was required of us in the sense that we did the tests, expert proper collection. It was a multi-agency visit with environment, with BAHA, with Pesticide Control Board, ministry, and the parties. So everything has been done above board and quite professional. And we have sent them out as was agreed for testing. We would not be able to, we don't have the legal authority to force a settlement. For that reason, we hope and we believe that there is room for an amicable settlement among the parties. Otherwise, the matter may very well have to be referred to the courts.